Alright yo guys, welcome back to another video on the channel. I haven't uploaded on here for about 65.99975 years. Anyway guys, we're back. Today we're going to be doing a try not to laugh challenge, but it's not no normal try not to laugh challenge. Get me? So, every time we laugh, we get shot, simple as. And trust me, guys, this ain't no mess about gun. Do you know what I'm saying? Like, this is... Yeah, no, it's gonna hurt. It's gonna hurt. Imagine a paintball, but smaller.
Do you know how I know it hurts? Because he shot me whilst I was getting ready.
Yeah.
On my bum. 240,
it's either 240 or 340 FPS. This is a low-range airsoft rifle. So, yeah, for you of you who want to go, oh, it's an airsoft, come round my yard. And then we'll see. Alright, cool. So, I don't know arguing. I go, oh, no. If it doesn't hurt, come around mine, and then we'll see how much it hurts. So, yeah, we're gonna get straight onto it. I'm gonna start recording my screen like that, you know what I'm saying? Alright, and we're gonna get straight into it. I ain't gonna mess about. So, first one is try not to laugh. Bad day, watch these funny animals. Funny animals, yeah, I don't really tend to find animals.
Hey everyone, we've got a brand new video of some of the funniest bits of the week.
Alright, can you hurry up? Get out.
It's not even funny.
That's...
He's like, the fuck?
What a weird dog. Just get inside.
I'm shooting you.
It was that transition. I'm sorry, I can't. Go on, do it.
Oh my god. Did it even hit you?
Ah! It's one of them ones. You know them ones when you get hit and you're just like... Alright, cool. Give me the car. Give. Hurry up.
I don't want
This video's gonna be about 45 minutes.
You already shot me, can I
Give. No, it cannot.
Right.
Give.
Fine. Wait. Can you do it on my arm?
I'll do it anywhere I want. Get up.
Do it here. Oh my god. No.
Ooh, yeah, take it. We're gonna like a fucking apple after this video, you know. You know them ones.
Do look like
I already look like an apple as well because I went proper professional airsoft the other day. Oh, look at them guns! Cheese! Anyway, right, let's carry on.
Don't try and escape.
Why that slightly sound like Georgie? Alright, do it again.
Did it not come out?
No. Ah! Shit! You just fall off. How did you manage that?
This child has issues.
Oh shit! Oh! It's like my granddad. That looks so staged.
That was me as a kid. I'm not complaining.
Not in the arm again, not in the arm again. Don't do it on bare skin, babe.
I fell at the end.
I think my what's it called, might be broken.
I don't even know, we're acting like it hurt.
Do you want to go?
Oh my god!
Yeah, exactly. Like that. Ah! Oh, look, you got me right on my little pimple and that.
Let me.
No. What?
That's fucked. Wait, that's fucked.
Nah. What?
No, it's fucked.
Is that actually? Alright! Let's go! That'd be your mum if you put on one of them.
It's because I thought of her. Wait. where are you going to shoot me? Can you tell me first?
No! Let go. Let's go. Do I make a fuss and you shoot me? No. Let go. Let's go.
Wait. Wait, tell me that. Tell me
Let's
that.
go.
No!
Let's,
I hate it.
let's go.
Can you do it on my arm?
No.
Can you do it on my...
Let go. Let's go.
I can't.
Let's go. Let go. The longer you take.
Wait, can you do it on my arm?
I'm gonna shoot you again. Twice. Let go. Let go.
My feet goes over the end of it. And you shot my feet
Don't be
off.
stupid in future then. How did Donnie lose his shoe? Is it?
You're not doing it on my thumb.
I'm not going to do it on your thumb, but don't
Wait,
fluff
wait.
that, otherwise it will be on your thumb.
Nah, listen, yeah. You shot me on my thumb, that means I'm off the hook for the rest of this. Ah, on my face!
Get down! Move back then.
Don't do my boobs
Let-
or face. No, It's fine, it didn't even hurt. Cool, it's fine.
It did.
Don't know what I'm going.
Run, 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 run!
I swear babies are so dumb. That will fuck me up.
Hold out your hand.
If you hit my screen, I'm not going to be impressed. Reload it again. If you hit my monitor, I'm not going to be impressed.
Trust. And I put my finger over the end of that, so... Why are you crying? You went to real Airsoft and you think that hurts. Sexy.
Wait, that looks like you when you get up. That person laughing in the background has me dead. Here we go. Well, hurry up. That's me trying to get up in the morning, you know, going once.
Just prank my dad.
Oh no, I've seen this.
Oh, that's... But his head's gonna be done. Wait, what? How? My hand's finished. Wait, that is me. It's not even funny, what the fuck? Oh, do you remember that?
When it goes right in the corner.
No, I'm sorry, I didn't mean to. What's my one?
Stand up.
No!
Stand up. It felt like the end.
You're a joke, man. Okay, that's fun.
From the Manatee County Fair, Linda Carson, ABC7. Would you not eat my pants? Ah!
You're laughing when you're holding it in. Fuck
You're
off.
allowed to do that, you're not allowed to actually laugh.
Wait, is it? No, stop!
You've got jeans on, that's unfair.
Oh, my neck! Ah!
I thought
Oh my god, you can't shoot me on my neck!
I thought I'd switch
Oh, I
up a
could
little
have
bit.
died! Oh my god, I can feel that in my esophagus! Oh my god!
I thought I'd switch up a little bit, make it more interesting.
Brother said switch up a little and I'll shoot you in your head next time.
I'm not gonna laugh.
You're not?
According to Jay, it doesn't hurt. Remember?
But I'm really... I've seen this. That's just pee.
Imagine if that was your car as well.
Just be in space before I
Why are you creasing?
Hey, kids.
You're laughing as well.
No.
Fuck off.
That means smiles count, so we've smiled the whole time. So no, if you actually laugh, it counts. Stand up. Move back.
When do we move back?
Up your top.
You're not shooting my... No! Ah! I got my finger. Oh my god, that was the luckiest shot. No, you're never gonna get a shot like that again. You just got me in my thumb.
You got me in my thumb.
Oh,
Guess what, guess what? Don't flap about next time.
Okay, we'll do it after.
That looks like me.
Wait, hang on, how did that hit me? What?
Was your father's offspring because he is ugly as well. Dad.
Yeah, but that's not funny, that's just... No, I can't imagine how much I must have hurt him. That's just dumb. That is you in sports day. Did he just shoot? I'm sorry, it was, no, do you know what it was? It was the lead up to him just going, oh la la, and just going straight to the thing. Ah! No.
Lift up your top.
No,
this
no,
time.
no, no, no,
Lift
no.
up your top this time.
Ah! Oh my god, you no one realised that much. Like, fucking. Don't forget this is fucking point blank shit as well. What do you want? That's like you.
Thanks.
No worries. Is you okay?
No.
Oh. Oh, there.
No, 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 no. No, you can't do that. You cannot do that. Behave.
Take her head out.
What an idiot.
And Mitch, I just want to say, welcome you to the family. Oh god.
What is that?
Oh my
A
gosh.
lizard.
Oh my gosh.
Have you ever
Oh
seen
my
that?
gosh.
No.
Oh my gosh.
Why is it on his
Holy
head?
crap. Oh my gosh. He just fell on the freaking floor. What the crap? He just like bounced like a freaking bouncy ball on the floor. I'm so sorry. I am so sorry. Grab onto my hand. Grab onto my hand. Don't let go. Daddy has you. Daddy, I'm
has
so sorry. He has probably like a mini concussion.
Like, that is me. What a dickhead. No, you can't hold.
My friend has gone.
Let go, let go. You laugh.
Awesome face paint job. What do you think?
What are you doing? No!
I'm joking, that's me.
Great zombie.
Ow, you fuck, bitch, bastard, fuck, shit, fuck, bollocks, fuck!
So you love me.
I love you.
How-
I love you, I love you, I love
How
you.
much?
No, genuine.
How much?
No, genuine, I really, really love you.
Let go.
No, stop. Ah! No. Oh my god, why is it my left arm? It's only my left arm.
You didn't get to shoot.
Alright guys, we're gonna leave the video here. I hope you've enjoyed it. If you have, make sure to subscribe, like the video. Stop poking my shoot marks. Love you guys, hope you've enjoyed it. If you have, make
Look at me,
sure
look at
to
me, look at me.
subscribe to the channel.
It wasn't around.
Sit down, move back, stop flapping, otherwise you're gonna get shot in the hand or the head. So get back. Get back. There we go, I got back in the arm. Guys, as I say, if you like the video,
No.
subscribe, like, comment down below, and we'll do part 2. Good. Sit down, woman. Subscribe, like, comment if you would like a part 2. Guys, I'll see you in my next video in a bit.